Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday market webcast. Okay, so you can see we had a little lift up in the overnight. They did 44, 24, 75, up to the 9-day, up to the 50-day. You had a little news out of China about 6 a.m., 6:15 or so about the whole Evergrande group and all that. So that knocked it down as low as 44.02, but it held 4,400. It held the hourly mid-band, so the climb up continues. So the hourly chart, we talked about these lows on yesterday's webcast. It holds the 100. You get into the Fed here. They did a big rip. They came down. They traded as low as 71.75, and then they just kept whipping it in both directions in the close. I was short more than I was long because the highs kept getting rejected. Our pre-FOMC price was 43.86. That got converted overnight. We ended up long against the 90 area, which is where I was short, and it turned into a nice little lift. Nice little lift from the 90 area up to 44.24. We've taken profits on 2/3 of this, and what I'm going to say to people this morning is, if you want to hold this third into the end of the week, this is an opportunity to do it, because if they want to continue to lift, you have some really identifiable targets up above: the 50-day, weekly pivot, monthly pivot, and the 20-day. And with a 44.24 and change print from this morning, a 44.63 half monthly pivot by the end of the day tomorrow is achievable. If the bulls can't get it done, then what you're going to have is it's going to break down below 4,400. It's going to convert that 86 area, and then we're talking about a retrace probably back to the area of the 100-day. This thing still wants to move. My concern is you've had this big down. That you had a very pronounced lower high. They really could have parked it here, but they didn't. They blew it. And then nothing happened with the Fed yesterday to alter this ultimate move up. It just got a little whippy there for a couple hours. So for now, you've got a low, a higher low, now a higher high relative to this high. So getting back and retesting the consolidation area before the breakdown is a very reasonable look at things. That's where I'm at. So we'll continue to hold that runner as long as necessary, and then we'll take other opportunities as they come on the long side. Look, if we end up getting short, well, then that'll all go away and we'll end up short. We'll start day trading with everything again. But for now, we have a runner that could potentially work for a little while here. So your hourly mid-band, 97 and change, VWAP, 44.06. 5-minute mids, basically 09.5. Our proprietary moving average is locked up with a 9-day at 13.5. And like I said, you got the 50-day up at 22.5, which is, that's the area that they tested this morning. There was resistance at the 50-day exponential. They've got to get over the top of that and then move it up over the top. Should be interesting to see. The bears are running out of chances. They need to continue to execute. As I just explained, they had a real opportunity there yesterday morning in Globex, and then an opportunity to kind of finish the job after the Fed. But what we have is a very simple low and a higher low and a higher high. And you have to, if you're going to make any assumptions, you have to expect the market to do what's expected, and that right now is heading back towards 44.63 to 44.70. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Trade them well. Join the private Facebook group. Come join the room. Come join the room. I don't know any other way to put it. If you trade this stuff, you're going to do better in here than you are out there. Bottom line. Take care. Trade them well. I'll talk to you soon.